it's hard to argue long-term with technology, and your top two picks are a couple of companies I've never heard of. One is called Microsoft. The other is Alphabet or Google. Why do you like them, including the fact that despite the fact that they've gone up a lot already this year?
Right. Well, I think both of these companies really have a lot of things working in their favor. First, if you really look at their competitive positioning, for Microsoft, they have a dominant position in their enterprise software market and a really growing and very attractive position in cloud computing. And I think that that will endure for a very long time. And what we've also seen, because we focus a lot on human capital because it's a responsible investing portfolio, you find that Microsoft is also a destination for talent. They have 100% pay equity, which they disclose. And so I think that as they're looking to increase their retention of talent, they are really the go-to place for a lot of software developers and people with other valuable skill sets during the Great Resignation. And then looking at Alphabet, similarly, a very dominant position in online advertising, and really, I think, really best in class in mobile advertising. YouTube is a very strong growth catalyst on a go-forward basis, and I think that the company has also begun to demonstrate better capital discipline. And again, Alphabet is also a destination for talent in ways that we can actually see and measure as it relates to their levels of turnover, pay equity, and other key performance indicators. So that gives you a bit of a sense for why those are core holdings, if you will, from both a fundamental and an ESG perspective.
So why has tech, or not big tech particularly, but why has technology been stumbling just a bit in the past few weeks?
I think technology's been stumbling because people are nervous. People are nervous overall. If you look at the VIX is up over 80% in the last month. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty. And so when you're looking at companies that may have richer valuations, if you will, or be longer dated, longer duration assets, they tend to take a bit more of the pain. And the reasons for the uncertainty and the fear are clear, right? We have the COVID resurgence. We have uncertainty about global economic growth and a host of other measures. But I think that we're going to have a strong fourth quarter. And so I'm sticking to the names that I mentioned, as well as some other technology holdings that we have.